Here's one hiccuping baby. Are you hiccuping? Oh! Gesundheit.
So sad. No one's gonna care about Zoe. Like when my dad comes and my mom comes.
She's got the hiccups. And look at the little legs. Look at the little legs. I'm gonna send this to Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandma and Grandpa.
I'm gonna send it to both grandpas.
Can we send from there?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool.
Oh, here we go. Oh, it's crying time. Why? Because it's feeding time?
Who wants dinner?
You hungry? Yeah, I'll take that as a yes.
Okay, Mama's coming. Hey, Minnie.
Oh, my girls. I love them so much. Where are you guys going?
We're going to eat.
Lunch.
It's dinner time for the mini munch. That's a hungry face.